Hello, everybody. I'm back. This is Carrie. I have completed my garden task for today. I have turned the soil. I have weeded some grass. I have pruned some vegetables. I have replanted vegetables. And I have my harvest for today. This is my outcome. Just look at this. Isn't this beautiful? This is my portion for 2 days. So for my meal, I'm going to have kale. I'm going to have Indian cress, Chinese mustards and turnips. I'm going to have radishes. This is radish. I have radishes, star flower, orange Indian cress flowers. Just look at this. So, Glow Grow with Carrie. Take care. Until the next time. Goodbye.